write and how we can say in Indian numbering system. First, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now if we want to read this number in Indian system, how we can read? Now see here, number 5 crore 26 lakh 83,425. Now in these numbers we can say 5 crore 26 lakh 83,425. Now each and every numbers have different place value. Now next point, international numbering system. Ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So we can read in international system 4,334,526. How we can read? We can read in international system 4,334,526. Now understood this point, Indian numbering system and international numbering system. Okay, now here we have to learn next point, fish market. The fish market. Have you been to a fish market? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place in sometimes called a fish market. Now this fish market is busy today. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Now here Mini comes here. Take sardines at rupees 40 a kg. Gracie, never so cheap, get swordfish for rupees 60 a kg. Florama sells prawn for rupees 150 kg. Karuthama sells squid for rupees 50 a kg. Now look, Fazila can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says this fish weight 8 kg. I will sell the whole for rupees 1,200. Now here the fish market, cost of sardines of rupees 40 per kg, cost of swordfish rupees 60 per kg. Florama sells prawn rupees 150 per kg. Karuthama sells squid rupees 50 per kg. Now here practice sum given. First question, at what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? Now solution given to you. Price of 8 kg kingfish rupees 1,200. So price of 1 kg kingfish rupees how much? So 1200 multiply 1 divided by 8. So 1,200 divided by 8. So 1,200 divided by 8. So 8 1 ja 8. 4 remaining. Bring down 0. 40 will be there. So 8 5 ja 40. 0 0. Now 0 bring down and put upside 0. So 150. So answer is rupees 150. So the price of 1 kg kingfish rupees 150. Understood? Another question. Florama has sold 10 kg prawn today. How much money did she get for that? Okay, solution. Cost of 1 kg prawn rupees 150. So cost of 10 kg prawn rupees how much? So 10 multiply 150. So answer is rupees 1,500. So the cost of 10 kg prawns rupees 1500. Now third question. Gracie sold 6 kg sword fish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sell? Now here solution. What is given? So cost of 1 kg swordfish rupees 60. So Gracie how much sell? Gracie sell 6 kg swordfish rupees 60 multiply 6. So rupees 360. Now earning of Minnie. How much earning of Minnie? Rupees 360. Now cost of sardines of rupees 40 per kg. 40 per kg. So quantity of sardines 360 divided by 40. So 360 divided by 40, तो 49 जा 360. तो how much kg? 9 kg. Now fourth question. Basir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. Now here how we can solve this? 1/4 of 100 means 1/4 of 100 means 1/4 multiply by 100. So 100 25 4 ja 100. So 4 4 cut. So 125 ja 25. 125 ja 25. Now another question is there. 3/4. How much? 3/4. So 3/4 of 100 means 3/4 multiply by 100. So 125 4 ja 100. So 4 4 cut. So 325. 25 3 ja how much? 75. Okay. Now here I solve out these things. How 1/4 of 100 and how much of 1/4 and how much of 3/4. 1/4 of 100 25 and 3/4 of 100 is equal to 75. Okay. Now here question is there. How we can solve this? How many kilogram of squid did he buy? How many kilogram of squid did he buy? Now here solution is there. Cost of squid rupees 50 per kg. How much? Cost of squid rupees 50 per kg. So for rupees 25. How many rupees? 25 rupees. For rupees 25 he bought half kg squid. Okay. Here cost of 1 kg 50 rupees, but he has only 25 rupees. That's why he bought only half kg squid. Okay, understood? Now another question. B. How many kilogram of prawns did he buy? Now what is the cost of prawn? Cost of prawn rupees 150 per kg. How much? 150 per kg. Cost of 1 kg prawn is rupees 150. So half of 150. What is the half of 150? 1 by 2 multiply 150 means 75 to ja 150. 2 to cut, so 75 1 ja 75. He bought half kg prawn from rupees 75. If he want to buy half kg, he have to paid rupees 75 rupees. Okay, understood this all sum clear? Okay, thank you.